Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Manda and today I am gonna be sharing my typical evening routine. I am a single mother who works from home and my nighttime routine typically starts at 4 p.m. when I have to pick up my son from school. Here I am just finishing off work and I am going to pour myself a cool drink for the road because I was feeling a little thirsty.
She left her home to find where she belongs. Her mother's scared to leave her all alone, but she got time and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you'll regret it all too much. Just wait.
The first thing we do after getting back from school is washing our hands.
Someday, so the same, yeah, she does not know that everything she got from her.
Then I'll take out the lunch boxes from Ollie's lunchbox and then make him a snack. Today's snack is knickknacks, fruits and cookies. Some days he'll ask for a sandwich if he's feeling a little bit hungry.
It seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you'll regret it all too much. Just wait.
After the snack, I gave him his vitamins. These are the vitamins that he takes. He really loves these and I have no complaints about them either. And I also gave him probiotics to help him with his digestive system. The reason why he takes his vitamins after school is because he's supposed to take them after meals and he doesn't eat before going to school. One thing that nobody knows about Oleta is that he has developmental delays, but we are not going to talk about that today. To help him with his progress, we spend a little time after school doing some educational programs just to make sure that I'm also doing my part in his progress.
Yeah, 1 plus
One at a time.
1 at a time. 1 plus 4
One plus one
equals
5. Equals 5. Then number 5 down. No.
and now which one are you gonna add?
1 plus 1 equals 2.
1 plus 1 equals 2, yes. And
Let's see another one.
you're looking for another one. Okay, let me look. Let me help you.
There are 1. Okay, that's 1.
Number 1.
He loves numbers and he is pretty good at maths or adding.
Okay, how many men can you see? Can you count these men? Count them here.
1,
Count them here.
2.
2, good boy. Now can you write number 2 here? Then we count the brown dogs.
Brown dog.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4,
number 4. Okay, try number 4.
What's number 4? This is like this.
Good boy. Okay, and the last one, the tree. Which tree looks different? Can you show me the tree that looks different, Ollie?
This one.
Okay.
Mad,
You know what to do.
Naughty tree.
Naughty tree. Yeah, it's a naughty tree. Good boy.
And now it is time for dinner. I just let Ollie play with his toys or watch his shows on his tablet while I cook. Tonight's dinner is pretty simple as always. I am having green beans, butternut and chicken.
She left her home to find where she belongs. Her mother's scared to leave her all alone. But she got time and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you'll regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. So the same.
While dinner is getting ready in the oven, I am going to wash the dishes I used to prep dinner.
Everything she got from her. You got time and you know what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday.
Ollie doesn't love veggies and I have given up on trying to convince him to eat them. So here I made him mac and cheese and added the chicken that I grilled.
I've seen you a million ways to get things back your way. I'll be honest tonight, so tomorrow will be fine. I've seen you a million ways to get things back your way. When you put up a fight, trying to make things right. Are we gonna do the waiting? It's hard to be the better one. And when it comes back, it comes back. Can't say what I'm thinking. Hold it in for the better. And when it comes
And I will enjoy my dinner while watching either a YouTube video or a K-drama on Netflix.
to get things back your way. I'll be honest tonight, so tomorrow will be fine. I've seen your different ways.
After an hour, I will make myself a snack / dessert if I am feeling like it. I love fruits and my snack always have to have fruits. It doesn't matter the time of day, I must have my fruits.
It's hard to be the better one. And when it comes back, it comes back. Can't say what I'm thinking. Hold it in for the better. And when it comes back, it comes back.
After enjoying my snack and my show, it is time for Ollie's bedtime. I encourage Ollie to be independent as much as I can, and I love seeing him being able to do things on his own. He's not quite there yet, but he's come a long way, and I couldn't be happier.
Are we gonna do the waiting? It's hard to be the better one. When it comes back, comes back. Can't say what I'm thinking. Hold it in for the better. When it comes back, comes back. She left her home to find where she belongs. Her mother's scared to leave her all alone. But she got time and she knows what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where
After his bedtime, it's time for me to clean the kitchen. I love waking up to a clean house, especially the kitchen, so I make sure to clean it every night. It just makes life easier for me the following day.
just wait. I will find you someday. So the same, yeah, she does not know that everything she got from her. You got time, and you know what to figure out. This ain't in a dream, a place where it seems that love will come around. So don't stay, you'll regret it all too much. Just wait, I will find you someday. I'm so scared to sleep. When I close my eyes, it's never what I wanna see. So who am I? I don't know anymore. So scared to sleep. I keep on falling down to whatever comes, and that is all because it reminds me of you. I keep on going down to whatever comes, and that is all because it reminds me of you. I'm so scared to sleep. When I close my eyes, it's never what I wanna see. So who am I? I don't know anymore. So scared to sleep. I can't forget what it's all in my head. I don't know who I am, and it reminds me of you.
Now it is time for my shower. I'll start by brushing my teeth before getting into the shower.
I don't know who I am, and it reminds me of you.
I am planning on sharing my shower routine, so be on the lookout for that video if you are interested.
I'm so scared to sleep. When I close my eyes, it's never what I wanna see. So who am I? Who am I? I don't know anymore. So scared to sleep. I keep on falling down to whatever comes, and that is all because it reminds me of you. I keep on going down to whatever comes, and that is all because it reminds me of you. I'm so scared to sleep.
Bedtime is usually between 9 and 10 p.m. and yeah guys, that is it for our bedtime or evening routine. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video some love and also subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.
I can't